Good morning, students. In last lecture of nutrition, respiration and excretion in plant, we already discussed about the process photosynthesis, how the plants makes their food, nutritions. Which is nutrition? Carbohydrate, vitamins, fat, minerals, etc. And diffusion, how the plants take the carbon dioxide with the small opening that pores are there, that is called stomata. And how the plant take the water with the process of osmosis. Yes, but in this lecture we discuss about the micronutrient and macronutrient. Micro word for the small particles, electron, proton, neutrons, and micro mean which you require in less quantity, that is called, the plants require in less quantity, that is called micronutrients. That is called micronutrient. Which that is a student? Iron, manganese, zinc. That is the micro, and this is the macronutrients, which was the plant require in more quantity: magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Mainly the word use NPK. NPK fertilizer you already know, which already give from the externally outside also, but some are already present in the soil also. NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Yes. But firstly we discuss about the micronutrient. Micro which we require in small, plants require in small quantity, student. First is the iron. Iron is a constituent of protein. Iron helps to make the protein. What is the function of the iron? Constituent the formation of the protein, students. Second is the deficiency symptom. What is the deficiency system? If deficiency of iron is there in the plant, how you know about this? Yes, yellowings of the leaf. If leaves become yellow, it means that have some deficiency of the iron, students. Yes. Second is the manganese. Symbol is the Mn. Function, constituent of the enzymes. It helps in the formation of enzymes in the plant, students. Enzymes which catalyze the reaction. Catalyst which make the reaction fast but not participate in the reaction. What is the symptoms? If deficiency, pale spotted leaf. Spots come on the leaf. Third one is the zinc. Activation of enzyme. The zinc only which activate the enzyme. If for example plants have enzyme but not activating during the reaction, which is the main nutrient which activate the enzyme is there? Zinc, students. Zinc. And deficiency symptom, malformed leaves. Leaves become skulls, not properly grow. Not properly grow. Like contraction of the leaves is there. Yes, student. These are the micronutrient which require in less plants require in less quantity. Macronutrient. Now we discuss about the macronutrient. Macronutrient, magnesium. Magnesium, yes, function. Help in formation, chlorophyll. Magnesium main function is to formation of the chlorophyll, students. Yes. Deficiency symptoms. Chlorosis. That is the problem in the plant. Pale yellow leaves are there. Chlorosis. Second is the nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen, you know about the main function of the nitrogen for the growth of the plant. Yes, protein formation main. And we also get the protein from the plants, from the student. Yes. Deficiency symptom, retard the growth. Not proper growth is there, student. If nitrogen is less in quantity, the not proper growth. But plants take the nitrogen in the form of nitrate and nitrate by using which one convert the nitrogen into nitrate and nitrate? Rhizobium bacteria, leguminous plant. The process is called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. Yes. Third one is the phosphorus. Function, production of energy, ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Production of energy, helps in the production of energy from the food. Deficiency symptom, yes, poor root of growth. Root not growth properly. If root not growth, they not get the water and minerals properly. That's why the plant die. Yes. Function. Now come on the potassium. Potassium, that is a function is a opening and closing the stomata. The main function of the potassium is there. When the open, it get the carbon dioxide. If extra water lose by the process of transpiration is only with the help of a potassium, students. Deficiency, stunt the growth. It will retard the growth. Stunt means rukna. Growth ruk jati hai. Yes. Main their constituent is a NPK of the micronutrient, students. NPK. NPK. Actually NPK, yes. Micro. Nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and P is a potassium, students. Potassium. So this is the main constituent of the plant, nutrient of the plant. Yes. Now we discuss about the plant do photosynthesis in the visible range. Keep in mind, visible range. Yes, plants do photosynthesis in visible range. Visible range means colors. You are able to see. Visible range, VIBGYOR. That is a VIBGYOR. Yes, visible range. Like a rainbow is there, na? VIBGYOR, violet, indigo, like this. VIBGYOR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, like this only. VIBGYOR. Yes, plants. Why the plant's color is green? Because plants do not show photosynthesis in green range. In green range. What it is mean? Means plant absorb all the color, but not absorb the green color. It reflect the green color. That's why we are able to see the green. Plants are green in nature. Why my shirt is a blue? First of all, students, see. You are able to see my shirt is blue. Why? Because my shirt absorb all the color but reflect the blue color. That's why only, students. That's why only. And which thing is involved in the photosynthesis? Yes, you know stomata structure. In stomata structure, that is the upper epidermis and this was the lower epidermis. Layers are there which protect the stomata from the outer injury. Lower epidermis. And here, you know, here opening is there and here mesophile cells are there. Mesophile tissues are mainly involved in the photosynthesis. Mainly guard cell is present in the here opening is there. Mainly the guard cell is present which open there. Here opening is there. The carbon dioxide enter there. So mainly mesophile cells are there, and the guard cell, you know, already contain the chloroplast, chlorophyll, which trap the sunlight. Trap the sunlight, give to the CO2, which break the CO2 into C plus O2. Reduction reaction, release of the oxygen. When then carbon react with the water, it gives the glucose. Yes, student, it gives the glucose only. Lower epidermis, upper epidermis. Now we see some graph. On which factor the rate of photosynthesis depend. Yes, first graph. First graph is between light intensity. It means depend upon intensity of light. If intensity of light is more, then photosynthesis is more. Keep in mind, student. Rate of photosynthesis. Rate of, that is a photosynthesis. Yes, graph is like this. Like this, student. What it is mean? If we increase the light, one increase, then rate of photosynthesis also increase. Maximum up to there. But afterwards, if you increase the light, it become constant. Rate become constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 intensity, 2, 3, like this. If you increase, then it also increase. So it depends upon directly proportional mainly. If light intensity is more breakage of CO2 into C plus O2, then more glucose will form. Yes, student. This is the first graph, very easy graph. Second graph, if we take CO2, the graph between a rate of photosynthesis and CO2, intensity of CO2, quantity of CO2. Yes, this is a graph also like this, student, like this. When CO2 increases, obviously, keep in mind, reaction you know, already know. Without balance reaction, student, you balance there. Yes, CO2. If you increase the reactant, obviously product increase, student. Rate of photosynthesis increase. Keep in mind. If more CO2 is there, more reaction is there. Yes, if you have the burn the fire, you put petrol on them. If more petrol you put, more fire come from the wood. Yes. So CO2 when react, see there, increases one time. Yes, one time maximum. Same like this only. Afterward little but constant is there. Yes. Same graph is there. If we discuss the one more graph, temperature and rate of photosynthesis. Is the rate of photosynthesis depend upon temperature? Yes, student. If high temperature, we already do the graph, this one. If high temperature is there, then what happen? That we see the graph first of all. Yes. Graph like this, not touch. Rate of photosynthesis not 0. Keep in mind. Yes. Here we take temperature. When temperature increases, rate increases. Here maximum. But afterward if you increase, rate start decreasing. Keep in mind. Rate start decreasing here. Again decreasing. Keep in mind. What it is mean? If a high temperature is there, student, the stomata always closed. Keep in mind, closed. To protect the plant from the outer temperature, it been closed. The photosynthesis, rate of photosynthesis start decreasing. This is a very easy student graph. In next lecture, we discuss about some activity, students. Thank you.